What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Today we have the stock market moving higher, the SPY at 531. The Qs are also moving higher, and we are just kind of hanging out and waiting here to see which direction this will go next. Bitcoin is setting at just below $70,000. So today I wanted to discuss what we need to take a look at and keep our eyes on in the market to see what will happen next. And I also am going to discuss some commodities and stocks that are interesting, and also what's going on with crypto. So if that sounds good to you, let's get started. Be sure to hit that like button and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more. All right, guys, all eyes are on NVIDIA today. Earnings after the market close, and the markets are positioned for a massive change. So basically, NVIDIA here is expected to move about 12%, which will definitely move the markets. So we need to keep an eye and see what happens with NVIDIA after the close. Right now, NVIDIA is sitting at 949 and ranging here in our channel up against resistance. If it can break through this, well, this will be bullish for the markets. The markets will move higher. Overall, the RSI 14 is on the trend upwards, while the stochastic RSI is at the top side of the range on the daily. We also have Tesla uh, starting to show some signs of strength here, really just accumulating in this area, determining which way it wants to go next. But to me, this kind of looks bullish for Tesla, possibly. Um, After Tesla's been beaten down over 40% on the year, we see the tan markets moving a little higher as well. So this could be potentially a good opportunity for Tesla uh, holders out there to maybe get a position in. I'd like to see it pull back again, maybe to this 174 region. But yeah, I'm keeping an eye on this one. We also have MicroStrategy, excuse me, guys, MSTR. This one blew through our target of 1660 the other day on the Bitcoin bounce and is sitting just above that level right now. So this is looking pretty bullish for MicroStrategy. And of course, that will all depend on what happens with Bitcoin, but we'll discuss that more later in the video. Um, Next, I wanted to discuss gold. Gold coming down a bit today at 23.90 and really should find some support in this area. I think that if gold pulls back into this area, it would be a good place to accumulate, as I believe gold is going much higher over the next couple of years. We also have Coinbase showing some signs of strength here, really moving up, setting at 230. The RSI stochastic is just getting ready to put in a golden cross, and so this is really shaping up to look very bullish for Coinbase. We know that if these cryptos and other small cap stocks really start to rally, this is good for some of these exchanges. So we could see Coinbase really start to heat up here as we move into July. I think that is a very real possibility. All right, guys, if you want to get started uh, investing, you can do so over on Robinhood. Right now, Robinhood is offering a 1% bonus and no cap when you transfer an outside brokerage account to Robinhood. Um, they offer 8 times the national savings rate, and they allow you to begin building your portfolio for just as little as $1. They allow you to invest in stocks, options, ETFs at your own pace, commission free. If you guys are interested, there is a link down below. What I like about Robinhood is they allow you to buy fractional shares of stocks. So something like MSTR setting right around that $1,700 level. Well, if you only got a few bucks, well, you can buy a fraction of that share and own part of MicroStrategy or NVIDIA, Tesla, any other of these stocks that you want to invest in, as well as ETFs, crypto, and gold. All right, guys, let's discuss crypto because things are really starting to heat up here. This is the total 3 market cap. So this is everything except for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And things are starting to really look bullish here. As I mentioned here a couple weeks ago, we had this RSI starting to turn up. You can see the stochastic on the dailies towards the top end of the range, but if we flip over to the weekly here, this is really what I'm looking at. The weekly has come down and reset, and we have a golden cross, so that is a very bullish indicator that these crypto markets and altcoins are really about to start heating up. If we just zoom out here a little bit, um, you can kind of see we are getting ready to possibly go up to this next level, and that is where we may find some resistance. But once we get through there, I think if Bitcoin breaks all-time highs, you are going to see the altcoins follow very shortly thereafter. Ethereum is looking strong, waiting on that ETF news to come out and see if they are going to be improved in May. I could see Ethereum pulling back here. This was a really good move over. We had 20% on the day. So I think this in total was about, yeah, 23%. So I could see Ethereum pulling back here, maybe to the mid range or even down to around this $3,200 level, and that would still be bullish for Ethereum, um, and just be setting in a higher low. So that is looking good on Ethereum. We also have Solana setting at 180. Any pullbacks here should be met by bull demand as long as the crypto markets continue to go up. Solana is really looking strong this crypto season. We also have Chainlink sitting at 1637. Just trying to break through this trend line we had here, which was previous support, now turned resistance. I like Chainlink. I think they are probably, in my opinion, uh, behind Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana is probably one of the best altcoins out there just because of what they provide and allowing all these blockchain technologies to communicate with one another. So that is why I like Chainlink. Um, and I could see them doing really well this crypto cycle. Next up, we have AVAX coming back down to our what now appears to be line of support, previously resistance. On this inverse head and shoulders pattern here, let's just go ahead and pull out a little line here just to get an idea where this is probably going next, because overall it does look like things are very bullish for the crypto markets coming up. So you could see that AVAX could go up to around that $47.50 area. Um, so that would be a nice little return, and that could happen very quickly. That could happen in a matter of a couple hours or even a day. So that is looking bullish for AVAX. If you are interested in uh, buying or selling or trading crypto, gold, or silver, you can do so over at iTrust Capital. iTrust Capital allows you to invest in a tax advantage IRA whenever you're making gains like you see in these cryptos. Um, well, obviously, you will be taxed if you're doing it on other exchanges. That's why I like to trade within an IRA. I use iTrust Capital, and they offer a low cost and no monthly fee. They have over 4,500 plus 5-star reviews on Google, and they have great customer service. I can just tell you from experience when I set up my account and talking to the people over there at iTrust Capital. Uh, they actually have people you can call and talk to. If you're interested, you can click the link down below. All right, guys. One other thing to keep an eye out today on is the FOMC meeting minutes at 2 o'clock. That could move the markets, but honestly, I think it's really going to come down to NVIDIA and what happens with earnings. Um, so we will need to keep an eye on that. Overall, I am still very bullish long term for things like the stock market in general, commodities, and crypto. I think crypto is really about getting ready to take off here. Um, so, yeah, guys, stay safe out there. Be sure to get yourself a VPN and protect your online identity. There is a link down below for that as well. And yeah, happy Wednesday. It's hump day. We are halfway to the weekend, and we've got a holiday weekend to look forward to. All right, guys, I hope everyone out there has a great day, and don't forget to go follow me over on X or Twitter at Mind of Financier. I am Mind of the Financier on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you all, and I hope you all have a great day. Until next time, guys, be legendary and take care. Peace out.